Cooking for lunch, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Cooking for lunch. Natural roots. Miguel, shout out. How are you, my friend? Natural roots. I love the sounds of cooking. Now, right now in Belgium is time check. Fine. It's already 12 in the morning. Hello, my friend. Thank you so much for dropping by Natural Roots. Thank you, my friend. Sausage. Oh, sausage. My sausage. It's cooked already. Okay, it's finished. And here also. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Guys on live. I'm cooking, my friend. It's time for dinner. Hello, my friend. Card on live. Thank you so much for coming. Hello, my friend. Natural Roots. Host is cooking. It's time check. Lunchtime here. Yes. And this is sausage. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's time for me to focus in my cooking, guys. Wait lang. Magtampay muna tayo. Tampay kasi cooking sisi. Lunchtime dito. Travel. Oh, kumpot tayo, guys. Sanay cook na din. You do not connect on Messenger. Why? I don't find your name. Cart. Because Travel Nation. Natural Roots. Thank you so much. Cart, sorry. I don't find your name in Messenger. I can't connect you on Messenger. Cart. Cart online. Okay, guys. It's finished. Now it's cooking here. Okay, guys. Wait muna, guys, ha. Ilalagay ko kayo sa wait on, guys. Punta tayo dito sa punta tayo sa taas. Ilalagay ko kayo, guys. Stay here, busy and work. Okay. Thank you for dropping by. Carton Life. Okay. Wait lang, ha, guys. Ilalagay ko kayo dito sa loob ng aking okay. Wala. Dito muna kayo, guys. Dahil nagluluto pa si host. Wait. Naputol tayo. Stay here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Carton Life. Diyan muna kayo, guys, ha. At si host ay nagluluto pa. Thank you so much, Sisi Travel. Wait lang, ha. Update lang to. Wait lang, guys. Update lang tayo. Pag may time. Dahil busy tayo. Bukas hindi ako magla-live. Kaya live na muna tayo dito. Okay, guys. Wait lang. Okay. Diyan muna.